Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update for Tuesday, March 15th, 2016. And today in our Tech News Update, well, yesterday we were talking about Microsoft that didn't want to have Bitcoins anymore. Well, this information is false. Microsoft did state later in the afternoon that they do accept Bitcoins and that they don't really know where that story comes from. I usually check, at least 3 or 4 sources before I mention something. Pretty much everybody jumped on this one, so it looked like a pretty sure one. So, nope. Microsoft continues to accept Bitcoin payments in the Windows Store and also on their Microsoft website for products and services. Well, Facebook, Google, Snapchat, WhatsApp will expand the end-to-end encryption of their products to make sure that people enjoy safe and secure communications. And that is a kind of a response to the FBI wanting to, see more and more information. And this, really gives a very, very heated debate here with, some people saying, yeah, but the more encryption, the more the bad guys can do stuff. And basically, without our knowledge, and it's dangerous. The other side, where I am at, is where, well, I think everybody should have encryption and everybody should have privacy. I think it's important. So, heated debate, but most of the tech companies are more into the let's keep everything safe and secure and encrypted if possible. Microsoft SharePoint 2016 is now RTM, Retail to Manufacturer. If you are a IT or a administrator of a website, well, Microsoft SharePoint makes it easy to pretty much manage all that is around your website, including even exporting it to other, computers or other servers. So it's one of the very popular products of Microsoft, popular business products, basically mostly for IT stuff. So Microsoft SharePoint 2016 now available. Well, we've learned that ear maps will remove the Windows 10 Store maps well, it's probably already removed, and that if you have ear maps in your Windows 10 mobile phone, it will stop working in June. If you're on a Windows Phone 8.1, the ear maps will continue working because it is deeply integrated into the operating system. But the only thing that they will give out is basically a update for security. There won't be any update for the app itself. Not really anything they say, but they say it's a business decision. We know that the Windows 10 Store has been having a few companies and a few developers saying, look, Microsoft isn't pushing enough to have our apps out there, and the mobile market for Windows Phone is also very small, so it doesn't really help, that's for sure. Well, OneDrive pushed a new feature, so if you're using not the Windows OneDrive app, but the online OneDrive folders in your Outlook.com account or Hotmail.com account, well, there is a new feature to make sharing much easier. For a long time, the sharing wasn't working very well. Sometimes you'd share a link, it didn't work. Well, now this time, it's apparently much, much better. And actually, I'll be checking it out and posting a video of the online OneDrive usage that you can do with your Hotmail, Outlook, or basically any Microsoft account. So easier to share and easier to do, apparently. Well, extensions. So first of all, what you see here is basically a web page that appeared on the Microsoft website talking about extensions. And you see here, extensions are here, and you have download extensions, API documentation. And so, more and more is giving us an idea that extensions are really, really very close to the Microsoft Edge browser. Well, a developer experiment shows how easy it is to send Chrome extensions to Microsoft Edge. And in the demonstration, he was showing basically that anybody that has some extension written for Chrome will easily be able to send it for Microsoft Edge. Well, it was a surprise, but this is the year of AR, VR, augmented reality, and virtual reality headsets. AMD and Sulon have said they are releasing a AR, VR headset that will run on Windows 10, and also that will need a pretty much less power on computing than the devices that we see right now, like HoloLens and so on. So it will work on much more computers. So it's going to be interesting to see, and apparently the AR and VR experience are both in the same headset. So it's going to be interesting to see this headset in action. And that's one more virtual reality headset. So 2016 really looks like it's going to be the virtual reality year. That is for sure. And finally, in our bits of news, Google is giving away $100,000 to anyone that can hack a Google Chromebook. So if you use a Chromebook, if you want to participate, if maybe you're a programmer, maybe you're someone that enjoys, trying to hack into things, why not check it out? $100,000 to anyone that can hack into a Chromebook. That's not a bad deal. If you can do it, you'll get $100,000. And this is, of course, to make sure that their products are secure. So everybody that can hack into a Chromebook, of course, will tell Google what type of flaw they used. And of course, there will be updates that will fix these security flaws, basically, in the Chrome operating system. So $100,000 is yours if you can do that. Maybe it's going to be interesting to see if how many people actually find something to exploit in the Google Chromebooks. So basically, this was the tech news update for Tuesday, March the 15th, 2016. Remember, today at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, that's 1900 hours Universal Time, we are going to have our tech show where I answer your questions. Also, a Learn the Tech show tonight at 6 p.m., 2200 hours Universal Time. We will talk about how a PC works, basically. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. Why not subscribe to our channel if you enjoy our videos? Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Thank you for leaving comments and suggestions.